Good morning, children. Let's continue the lesson Substances in Daily Use. In the previous few classes, we have covered the half part of this lesson. We have already studied substances and objects, natural substances and man-made substances, reversible and irreversible changes, vulcanization of rubber, that is production of substance, manufacturing of paper, how paper is made. In today's class, we will continue the new point, synthetic fibers or thread, in which we will come to know the different types of thread, that is nylon, rayon, dacron, terylene, terene. These are few different types of threads depending on the use of it. We will also study about the advantages and shortcomings of synthetic fibers. So let's get started towards it. Let's understand what are synthetic fibers or thread first. We all are aware of silk cloth. We are also aware of wool cloth. Yes, wool thread. These are all obtained from natural animals in our surrounding, in environment. Some threads are not naturally made. They are made artificially with the help of some chemicals. So therefore they are called as synthetic fibers or thread. Synthetic fibers or thread are the thread which are artificially made in factories. Therefore they are said to be synthetic. For the day by day increasing population, it is very difficult for man to make the natural cloth or the natural fiber or thread available. So therefore, people make use of synthetic fibers. Nylon, dacron, terylene, terene, polyester, rayon are the names of various synthetic fibers. Silk is produced from the silkworm. Therefore, it is not synthetic, whereas it is natural thread. It was first produced on a large scale in China. Let's come to know about nylon. These threads were invented at the same time in New York and London. So in New York and London, the thread was first invented. Okay, that was at the same time. Therefore, the word nylon comes from N, New York, Y. N is the initial of New, Y is the initial of York, and London, Lon. So therefore it is given name nylon, as it comes from New York and London in the beginning. Nylon threads have a shine and are strong, transparent and water resistant. They are used in manufacturing clothes, fishing nets, ropes, etc. Rayon. Cotton and wood pulp is dissolved in a chemical called sodium hydroxide to make a solution. Threads are obtained from this solution with the help of machines. As these threads have shine and strength, they are said to be synthetic silk. They appear to be shiny, bright like the sun's rays, hence they are called as rayon, as they shine like sun's rays. So therefore ray, okay, and it is made up with the help of cotton and wood pulp when dissolved in chemical. So it is named rayon. Dacron, terylene and terene. Various hydrocarbons obtained from mineral oils are used to make polymer chain. A solution of such a polymer is pressed through a strainer with fine holes. The fibers formed after cooling are long and unbroken threads. These threads are twisted to obtain yarn. Different types of chemicals are used to make threads of various properties. These different threads have been named variously as dacron, terylene, terene, etc. So these are the different threads, dacron, terylene and terene, made from hydrocarbons obtained from mineral oil, which makes a polymer chain. Advantages and shortcomings of synthetic fibers. Shortcomings means disadvantages. So there are advantages as well as disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Advantages are these fibers can be manufactured on a mass scale. So they can be manufactured, they can be produced on a large scale. They cost less, they are strong and durable. It can last for longer duration. They can be used for long time. They are water repellent, hence do not rot or get wet. They dry easily. Water repellent means the cloth absorbs the water but still it doesn't get spoiled. It gets dried easily. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear. As they have a shine, they enhance the appearance of the wearer. It looks good for a person who wears the synthetic fiber cloth. Clothes made from this thread are wrinkle free and scratch free. So they are stable cloths. It does not have any wrinkles formation on it. Shortcomings are they are water repellent, hence do not absorb sweat from the skin. Continuous use of clothes made from this thread keep the skin moist, which may cause skin disease. Synthetic clothes are uncomfortable to wear, especially in summer. Already when there is summer, we feel hot, and when we wear these clothes, our body remains wet for longer period of time, and due to which we may fall sick on our skin diseases. It may cause itching, etc. Synthetic fibers catch fire easily. If they catch fire, the cloth sticks to the skin and causes serious injuries. These fibers do not decompose by microorganisms. So these are the advantages and shortcomings of synthetic fibers. As synthetic fibers are important, we know that we have to make use of synthetic fibers, but it has to be used for a limited time. We cannot make overuse of that, as it has some or the other side effects also. Here we finish up with the lesson substances in daily use. Throughout this lesson we have studied various substances, natural as well as man-made, production of paper, production of rubber, that is vulcanization of rubber, different types of synthetic fibers. These all things we have come across in this lesson. I hope you have studied, you have understood the lesson. Thank you.